morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices fell 1%, weighed down by concerns of a possible global oil glut. But data showing signs of strong US demand for fuel limited the losses. Oil prices fell following US government data that showed an increase in crude inventories last week. US stocks rebounded from the previous day's sell-off as jitters over inflated tech stock valuations abated, and better than expected economic data fueled optimism. A rally sent all three major US indexes higher, with a bounce back in tech and tech-related momentum stocks leading the charge. The non-fungible token market has lost nearly half its value in the past 30 days, even as trading activity picked up in October. CoinGecko data shows that the global NFT market capitalization plunged from about $6.6 billion on October 5th to $3.5 billion.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The sterling dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.